To make these mini mugs, print and cut out the printables you can find in my Etsy shop or use paper of your choice. Apply glue to the back of the paper strip, but leave out the first 3 to 4 centimeters to make sure that the inside of the mug isn't sticky and doesn't end up with lots of dust and hair. Now wrap the paper strip around a hot glue stick or a pen depending on the size you want your mugs to be. I found that a hot glue stick works best for Barbie-sized dolls, which is 1 to 6, and a pen better for 1 to 12. Once you're done, let it dry. Of course, you can also wrap more than one paper strip around the hot glue stick and remove all of them once they have dried. Now apply clear drying glue to the bottom edge of the mini mug and place them in the center of the circles. To make the handles, apply glue to a piece of paper, but leave out the first 3 to 4 centimeters to avoid the inside getting sticky. Wrap it around a hot glue stick or a pen depending on the size you chose. I found it the easiest to fold the rolled up paper in half when the glue is still wet, but make sure that the inside isn't sticky, and once it has fully dried, cut it in small strips to make the handles.
Don't leave me